okay. Did well with them as well. That was as close to it as we got as well, and your decision to go there, Karen, was very good. Well done. What's your thoughts on this one? Keep up with it, but just don't go past it or next to it.
Okay.
Because what could that red car have done?
Yeah. How did you know that?
I'm psychic. I think psychotic is probably closer with me, Karen, but anyway, that's an absolute classic. Try not to be next to people. If you've got an escape route with space next to you, it's always better than having a vehicle next to you. We're not following them, we're just going to go over the flyover, Karen. Alright?
Yeah.
That was a cracker, that. Well done. You reacted to it really nicely. However, if I hadn't have asked you the question, do you think that might have worked out a little bit differently?
It might have done, yeah.
Might have done, mightn't it?
Yeah.
You might have still been next to them and them not seeing you. Poor visibility in the rain, looking through raindrops in your mirrors and bits and bobs. So just try and remember that one.
Yeah.
Have an escape route. Try not to be next to people when there's cars around you. Always try and be next to a space. Alright? Good job. Well done.